Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here and showing you how I got this beautiful New Year's Eve glam look. I really wanted to do this look. It is the end of the year and I felt like this was super appropriate to give you guys a really fun, sparkly, glamorous idea if you want to try this out for New Year's Eve for yourself or any holiday parties, anything like that you have coming up. I really love this look. This is actually something that I used to wear. It's called like a halo eye, and I used to do this all the time when I worked for MAC Cosmetics, but I haven't done a look like this in quite some time, and I am just loving the way that it turned out. I feel super glam and just really appropriate for New Year's Eve. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I did my foundation and my skin stuff off camera because this look is more about the eyes anyway, so I figured we'd just kind of jump in to the eyes. So I primed my eyes with my normal eyeshadow, the Smashbox one, and I think, to be honest, I'm not 100% sure what I even want to do with this look. I'm thinking kind of like a halo eyeshadow, which is basically where it's darker on the outer and inner and then like the sparkles in the center. But we'll kind of just see how it goes. I'm going to be using this brand new Morphe palette that I just got for Christmas. I'm so excited. I haven't even touched it yet. Look at this. Oh, perfect and perfect and perfect. Oh, so excited. So there's matte colors in here, which I think is good, and then a lot of shimmers for like the center, and then I have a couple of the Kylie Cosmetics glitters as well as the Stila liquid, the Magnificent Metals. These are amazing. I love these. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of play and see what we come up with. I'm going to start with my MAC 224. I think I'm going to start with this one right in the corner. It looks super light on camera, but it's kind of like a flesh tone. Okay, so then I think I'm going to take the, I just stuck my finger in it. I'm going to take the second color in, which I'm assuming if I look on this thing is called Illusion. The first one was called Bliss. Illusion. I'm going to put that a little bit lower. I left the powder under my eyes just because I wasn't sure how dark of a look I was going to be going for. And that is a trick. If you've already done your foundation, you can put translucent powder under the eyes like you would when you bake, and leave it until you're done your shadow. That way if any of the dark color kind of falls out onto your face, you can just wipe it right off, and it's just a lot, makes cleanup a lot easier. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 239 MAC brush, and I am going to go in with the first and kind of the second color here, and I'm going to use that as like a brow highlight. So I'm going to just... and then go back with my brush and kind of make sure that there's no harshness there so that those two blend seamlessly. So now I'm going to switch over to a more precise blending brush. This is the MAC 217. And I am going to go and take probably the fourth and fifth colors here. And I am going to start to move that, blend them together, and start placing that on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm placing it on the inner. Okay. So there is a black kind of carbon color on the outer part too, so I'm going to take a very, very small bit of that and pack that. What I'm going to do is go back with those first two same colors and make sure up here in the crease area is nice and blended. So what I'm going to do, I think the best way to do this is I'm going to spritz my synthetic brush, which is a 242 from MAC, with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm going to go in, I think I'm going to do this fourth one in here, and I'm just going to pack it. And go back in with your same brushes and kind of blend out so that there's no harsh lines. I think that is a really good base, but I definitely want to do more glitter, so I think I'm going to do the Stila Magnificent Metals. This one is Smoky Storm. I love this one. A little closer here. So that's more of what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go back in with my 227 and I'm just going to blend right above where the glitter is. Okay, so I think I can probably go on to the under eye here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe all of this off. I'm going to take my little pencil brush and I'm going to go in with those kind of reddish brown tones first and line the under part of my eye nice and smoky. So I'm then going to go in with an angle brush and the dark kind of blackish gray color that's on the palette, and I'm going to line that super close to my lash line. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is take my Revlon eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, and run it in my waterline. I think I'm probably going to end up doing my top and bottom waterline. Alright, so it's time for eyeliner. I found a new favorite liquid liner. This one is by Tarte. It's called the Tartiest. And this one is actually a dual one, so one end has the felt tip and the other end is a pencil, but I'm going to use the felt tip and I am going to just do my eyeliner. Liner is on. I'm going to add a little bit of bottom mascara. I have lashes on, so I don't need to do mascara or false lashes because I have my extensions, but I will add a little bit to the bottom. Alright, so I think I'm pretty happy with the eyeshadow. So then the last thing to do would be to do lips, and then this look will be complete. So I am going to line with my Carli Bybel and Makiage lip liner in Luna. And then I am going to take my NYX lip liner in Nude Beige and of course, last but not least, I'm going to spray with my MAC 6 gloss. Set everything. Ooh, put some glitter on my eye. That will be the finished product. I'm really happy with the way this came out, actually. I think the eyes are really pretty. This palette is beautiful. I really, really love it. It's got a lot of really great colors as far as, you know, shimmers, and then some mattes in there too. So this is a definite recommendation. Love, love, love that. And then of course the Stila eyeshadow Magnificent Metals are just unbelievable. Like the color payoff, the glitter from it like nothing. And these don't move. Once they're on, and they don't budge, which is fantastic. Alright, so this is the finished look. My New Year's Eve glam. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I really love this look. This is something so different, and I actually haven't worn like full face glam in quite some time, so I feel really good in this and I really like it. It's not that hard. It's a pretty easy look to do. So that yeah, I hope you guys liked it. As always, be sure to subscribe, like, comment below if there's anything that in particular that you want to see me do, or you have any questions on the products. I will list everything below. Yeah, so that is the end of this tutorial, the final one for 2019. I hope you guys have had an amazing year. I hope that 2020 is even better for you guys, and stay tuned because I will have even more videos coming for you in the new year. I'll see you next time.